Now I'll try to do a little bit of video for those of you who would like to see us make a connection, another joint of drill pipe added to the string. Things are going real well. The crew's about ready to start. I'm going to walk up to the floor and we'll take a look at making a connection of another 40-foot drill pipe. What you're looking at right now is putting the tongs on. I'm not sure exactly what the purpose is, but they're a few minutes away from pulling out of the hole and adding a joint. So I'll just sit on the side and let you watch. The driller at the controls. Right now they're turning the bit real fast down below to get all the cuttings and mud and rock off the bit before we come up the hole. We're getting ready. All right, what you're looking at would be the Kelly. It's not all the way down yet. That's a Kelly swivel that's sitting on the rotary table, and that's of course what makes the drill pipe go around, turning to the right, and it turns the bit at the very end. So they're just cleaning the hole, going up and down with the bit, making just a real short run, and just in a couple seconds we'll begin the task of adding another jointed drill pipe to the string. We took a little break here. We're bringing some more drill pipe over to the racks, so they'll have them ready for tonight when they drill all night. Seeing right now is one of the rig crew taking a sample of the returns, and they're trying to make sure that the mud that's coming back out is clean, and then they'll get the okay, and then we'll get back to adding another jointed drill pipe and drill. From here you can see these are triple pits for our mud system. The mud returns here, and hopefully most of the cuttings will start falling out in this pit. Then it works its way over to this next pit and give it another retention pond, and hopefully it retains most of the cuttings, and then it slips over to the far end, and that's where it should be clean, and it gets put back into the system and piped down. These mud pumps will pump it down the hoses and then down the drill bit and out, and bring back the cuttings to the surface. One big closed system. All right, we're about to go through the process of adding a joint, a drill pipe. The driller now is bringing the Kelly up out of the hole. The Kelly swivel will come on up with it and be pulled away from the rotary table, which you see right there. And then we'll put down the slips. Again, that keeps the drill pipe from falling back down to the hole. Now we're going to break the Kelly off the top of that last joint of drill pipe, and they use 2 sets of tongs to do that. So they're pulling a wet string right now, what they call, that's our drilling fluid. Now they're going to put the Kelly down. It'll hold itself down there. Now they're going to unlatch the block. Now they'll pick up the next joint of drill pipe, latch it on. There's our next joint of drill pipe. They make sure they knock everything out of it. Most of any rust or mud or something might be in there. Alright, they'll lubricate the threads. And they're getting ready now to use the chain to make the initial connection to that top drill there's that top joint. Alright, the chain will tie it in a little bit. I got it on. Now they'll use the tongs to put real torque to it and tighten it up so there's no chance for those two joints to break apart. Okay, they got it torqued up. Release the tongs. Take the slips out and go on down in the hole. They're going to have to reattach now the Kellys. I see it. As you can see, we've got a wet string. Put the slips in. Now that'll, again, the slips will... Important we get those slips down there, lock it up. There it is. Otherwise you lose your string of pipe. You got to go down and catch it. It's not a fun job. Alright, now going to connect the swivel. And then we'll connect the Kelly to that top joint. Here we go. There it goes. All right, line the threads up. There we go. Now they'll use that chain to make the initial threading that Kelly into the top joint of that drill pipe. Alright. Tongs are always used to put the most torque onto it. Make sure they never unscrew and break apart. There we go. All right. Out with the slips. Gonna lower the Kelly swivel into that notched out section there of part of the rotary table. They'll pull it into there. There we go. We're in the rotary table now, and we're about ready to get after it. That's what it's all about, folks. Now they'll clean all the mud off of everything. It's very slippery.